Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Everything Online. In the previous chapter, we saw how to greet anyone, whether it be formal or informal. In this chapter, we will see how to count in Spanish or how do we say the numbers in Spanish. It's a very simple trick followed by little formulas. So let's see and let's get started.
Welcome everyone to chapter 3, that is counting in Spanish. Now this chapter is divided into 4 parts, that is counting the numbers from 1 to 15, then counting the numbers from 16 to 19, then multiples of 10, then 21 to 29 and 31 to 99. Now the reason behind doing this is the numbers 1 to 15 do not follow any kind of pattern. You just have to memorize them by practice. The numbers from 16 to 19 follow a specific pattern and they are quite similar to each other. Again, the multiples of 10, that is 10, 20, 30, they do not follow a pattern, you just have to memorize them. The numbers 21 to 29 follow a similar kind of pattern, and then the numbers from 31 to 99 follow a similar kind of pattern. So let us begin. Counting from 1 to 15, the first part. The number 1 is uno. Uno. Number 2, dos. Dos. Number 3, tres. Tres. Number 4, cuatro. Cuatro. Number 5, cinco. Cinco. Number 6, seis. Seis. Number 7, siete. Siete. Number 8, ocho. Ocho. Number 9, nueve. Nueve. Number 10, diez. Diez. 11, once. Once. 12, doce. Doce. 13, trece. Trece. 14, catorce. Catorce. 15, quince. Remember, QUI here is pronounced quince. So the numbers 1 to 15 are said in this way. You can pause the video here for some time and go over it once again so that it fits into your memory a little more. The second part is counting from 16 to 19. Now this, like I said, follows a pattern. That is, we have a formula for writing or for saying these numbers. The formula goes like, we first add the word diez to the number, followed by the word y, but this y is pronounced as e. E. So it goes like diez, e, and then the digit in Spanish. Now what I mean by digit in Spanish is, for example, if we want to say 16. Now we have this formula diez, e, and digit in Spanish. So what we get is diez, e, seis. Now the units place digit is 6, so the number 6, that is seis, appears here. So for 16 we have dieciséis. Dieciséis. Now it is dieciséis, saying dieciséis is also fine, but in general terms the letters Z and Y are cancelled and are replaced by CI. So the pronunciation for this CI combination is C. Now and then by cancelling these we replace it with CI and join the whole thing, which gives us dieciséis. So it becomes dieciséis. So for similarly for from the number 16 to 19 we have, for 16 like we saw, dieciséis. For 17 we have 17, that is the 10 part, then the C part and the siete, 17. For 18 we have 18. For 19 we have 19. You can pause the video here and try saying them out loud and clearly. The third part is multiples of 10. Now like I said, there is no a kind of pattern here, you just have to memorize them. For 10 we have 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60 we have 60, 60, 70 we have 70, 70, 80 we have 80, 80, 90 we have 90, 90, and for 100 we have 100, 100. Here is the list of all multiples of 10. Now remember, these multiples of 10 are very important to remember for pronouncing or for spelling out further numbers, that is the numbers from 21 to 29 and 31 to 99. So kindly pause the video and memorize them. The fourth part is counting numbers from 21 to 29. Now these numbers follow a similar kind of pattern like we saw for 16 to 19, just a little different. The formula for building these series of numbers begins with the word 20. This 20 is actually 20 like we saw previously, followed by the word y, so it's 20 y, and the digit in Spanish. Now looking at one example, we'll see the number 25. So the word for 25 is 25. The units place digit is 5 and the number 5 is said 5. That is why 25 becomes 25. 25. Now like we did for 16 to 19, the letters E and Y are cancelled and they are replaced by the letter I, which is pronounced E. If you remember from our chapter 1 vowel pronunciations, the letter I is pronounced as E. So the whole word is joined together with this help of I and it becomes 25. 25. So the numbers from 21 to 29 becomes 21 because of the 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You can pause the video here again and try saying them on your own. Now this series from 31 to 99 follow a different kind of pattern, but the numbers from 31 to 99 are all similar. So for this we have the formula. We use the tens form of the number followed by the word E and then the digit in Spanish. Now we will see this with the help of an example. Example 38. Now the tens form of the number, meaning 30. Now we know that the 30 means 30 in Spanish. So the digit in the tens place is written in the tens form, the word E, and then the digit in the units place, 8, like we did previously for 21 to 29, same way. So the number 38 becomes 38. Now here you do not have to worry about combining these words with anything or something like that. The numbers from 31 to 99 remain as it is. They do not combine or they do not merge into one word. They remain as it is. So 38 is 38. For 64, we will have 64. 60 being the form for tense form for 60. 64. Now here is a small exercise for you all. Kindly pause the video. If you want, you can refer the tense form table in the previous slides and you can try saying these numbers on your own. Okay, so let us see if you got them right. The number for 77 is 77. 77. Number for 91 is 91. 91. Number 43, 43. 43. Number 52, 52. 52. Hope you got them all right. Now, before we leave, there is an important number that we left out, didn't we? The number 0. So, the number 0 in Spanish is simply cero. Similar to what we say in English, just a sound of s in the beginning. Cero. So yeah, that's all with counting in Spanish and numbers in Spanish. Hope you liked the lecture, and if you have any queries, drop them in the comment section and I'll try to answer all of them. Thank you.
So I hope it was easy and you got the hang of it. So do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Tell me in the comment section how you liked the video, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.